Have you ever thought about manifesting your desires in just 10 seconds? It sounds too good to be true, right? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you a powerful manifestation technique that only takes 10 seconds or less. And what makes this technique the best is that it doesn't take any effort, which is why it's my favorite manifestation technique. Based on Neville Goddard's teachings, this manifestation technique is so powerful that you can manifest any desire, no matter what it is. You only have to do one thing in the morning, and you will manifest your desire instantly. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more exciting videos like this. Now let's get started. According to the teachings of Neville Goddard, the first thoughts that we focus on in the morning have a profound impact on the rest of our day. The energy that we put out into the world sets the tone for the experiences and opportunities that we attract. Therefore, we must be mindful of our thoughts and intentions from the moment we wake up. Think about it. When you wake up feeling anxious and stressed about your bills or your lack of income, you are essentially inviting more of those negative circumstances into your day. Your subconscious mind doesn't distinguish between positive and negative thoughts. It simply responds to the energy that you put out. If you wake up feeling low and down, your mind will continue to attract situations that match that low vibration. On the other hand, if you start your day with positive, uplifting thoughts, you are more likely to attract positive experiences throughout your day. When you wake up feeling grateful for the blessings in your life and excited about the opportunities that lie ahead, you are sending out an energy of abundance and positivity. And as Neville Goddard teaches, this energy will come back to you in the form of more abundance and positivity. Let me give you an example. Imagine waking up feeling stressed about your workday ahead. You're running late, and you're worried about meeting a tight deadline. You're anxious and irritable, and you snap at your partner over breakfast. As you rush out the door, you spill coffee on your shirt, making you even more frustrated. When you finally make it to work, you're in a terrible mood, and you can't seem to focus on your tasks. As the day goes on, you continue to attract more negative circumstances and experiences that match your low vibration. Imagine waking up feeling calm and centered. You take a few deep breaths, reminding yourself of your intentions for the day. You feel grateful for the job that provides for you and your family and excited about the tasks ahead. As you sit down for breakfast, you chat with your partner about your plans for the weekend, feeling connected and loved. When you get to work, you're focused and clear-headed, and you're able to tackle your tasks with ease. Throughout the day, you attract positive experiences and opportunities that match your high vibration. The key to creating a positive mindset in the morning is to start your day with intention and purpose. But the question is, how can you do that? How can you create a positive mindset in the morning? Well, here comes the technique that I want to share with you today. This is a very simple technique. You have to do it before going to bed each night and immediately after waking up. It only takes 10 seconds. This technique is called the bedtime affirmation exercise, and all you need is a sticky note and a pen. It may sound too good to be true, but trust me, this technique has the power to transform your life in a big way. So how do you practice this technique? Let me explain it to you step by step. Please keep watching to understand the whole process so that you can practice it correctly. Step 1. Choose your affirmation. The first step in the bedtime affirmation exercise is choosing the right affirmation for you. An affirmation is a positive statement that reflects what you want to manifest in your life. It should be a statement that resonates with you and feels authentic. To choose your affirmation, take some time to think about what you want to manifest in your life. It could be related to your career, your relationships, your health, or any other area of your life that you want to improve. Once you have a clear idea of what you want to manifest, write down a few affirmations that reflect that desire. Then, choose the one that feels the most powerful and authentic to you. Remember, your affirmation should be in the present tense as if it is already true for you. For example, instead of saying, "I will be successful," say, "I am successful." Step 2. Write your affirmation. Once you have chosen your affirmation, it's time to write it down. Grab a sticky note and a pen or any piece of paper if you don't have a sticky note. Write your affirmation in big, bold letters. The key is to make your affirmation visible and easily accessible. You want to be able to see it first thing in the morning and right before bed, so choose a spot that is convenient for you. It could be on your nightstand, on your bathroom mirror, or even on your phone. As you write your affirmation, really focus on the words and feel their truth. Visualize yourself already living the reality of your affirmation. This will help to program your subconscious mind to believe in the truth of your affirmation. Step 3. Repeat your affirmations. The final step in the bedtime affirmation exercise is to repeat your affirmation consistently. The more you repeat your affirmation, the more you will begin to believe in its truth. Here's how to do it. Before you go to bed at night, take a moment to read your affirmation out loud. Feel the words and believe that they are already true for you. Then, place the sticky note in a spot where you'll see it first thing in the morning. When you wake up in the morning, the first thing you should do is look at the sticky note and read your affirmation out loud again. Focus on the words and feel their truth. Take 10 seconds to do this before getting out of bed. Repeat this process every night and every morning, and watch as your mindset and energy begin to shift toward what you want to manifest. Over time, you may start to notice new opportunities coming your way, relationships improving, or an overall sense of abundance and positivity. Now you might be thinking, what does this technique do? Well, it shifts your focus from the negative circumstances around you to the positive affirmation that you want to manifest. This technique can transform your mornings and, ultimately, your entire day. By choosing a positive affirmation that resonates with you and repeating it each morning, you set the tone for a day filled with positive energy and manifestations. Imagine waking up with a feeling of excitement and anticipation for the day ahead, rather than the usual dread and stress. Instead of immediately checking your bank account and feeling overwhelmed by financial difficulties, you start your day by reciting an affirmation like, "I am financially abundant, and money flows to me easily and effortlessly." As you speak these words and feel their truth, you begin to shift your mindset from one of lack and limitation to one of abundance and possibility. This change in perspective has the power to attract more positive experiences and opportunities into your life. You may start noticing unexpected blessings like a job offer or a financial windfall as you go about your day with a sense of optimism and confidence. With each day that you start with a positive affirmation, you are creating a positive momentum that can lead to a more fulfilling and abundant life. Another example of how this technique can work is in the area of relationships. Let's say you've been feeling down about your romantic life and wake up every morning with feelings of sadness and longing. Instead of focusing on the lack of a partner, try shifting your focus to the affirmation, "I am attracting loving and fulfilling relationships." By reading this affirmation and feeling the truth of the words, you'll start your day with a positive mindset and an open heart. You'll be more confident and optimistic about your love life, and you'll be more open to opportunities to meet new people or strengthen existing relationships. The best part about this technique is that it is simple and easy to incorporate into your daily routine. All you need is a sticky note and a pen to write down your affirmation, which you can read right before bed and as soon as you wake up. It only takes 10 seconds, but the impact it can have on your day and your life can be profound. You can customize your affirmation to suit your specific needs and desires in any area of your life. Whether it's your health, wealth, career, or personal growth, positive affirmations can help you align your mindset and energy with the things you want to manifest in your life. The key is to make sure your affirmation is a positive statement that resonates with you on a deep level and feels believable to you. And by consistently practicing this technique every morning, you'll be programming your mind and setting the stage for a day filled with positivity, abundance, and manifestation. Neville Goddard believed that affirmations work because they help us focus our attention on what we want rather than on what we don't want. He taught us that our thoughts and emotions create a vibrational frequency that attracts similar experiences into our lives. Therefore, by repeating positive affirmations, we are aligning ourselves with the vibration of our desired outcome and attracting it into our reality. Another reason why Goddard suggested using affirmations is that they can help us change our subconscious beliefs. Our subconscious mind is responsible for creating our reality, and it is influenced by our past experiences and conditioning. If we have limiting beliefs or negative self-talk, these can block us from manifesting our desires. However, by repeating positive affirmations, we can reprogram our subconscious mind and replace negative beliefs with positive ones. Goddard also believed that affirmations are most effective when they are combined with the power of imagination and feeling. He taught that when we visualize our desired outcome and feel the emotions associated with it, we are creating a powerful magnetic force that attracts that outcome into our reality. Therefore, he recommended that we not only repeat affirmations to ourselves, but also visualize ourselves already having achieved our desired outcome and feel the emotions associated with it. So why not give it a try? Imagine waking up each day feeling empowered, confident, and excited about the possibilities that lie ahead. It only takes 10 seconds, but the potential benefits are immense. Transform your focus, attract positive circumstances, and manifest the life you desire with the power of positive affirmations. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you want to share your opinion, comment down below this video. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to it and press the bell icon for more interesting, informative, and helpful videos on manifestation. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.